Minister wa maria marigiceirie Judy Wahungu arauga gugikinyeria tariki 28 mweri twerekeire aria makanyitikana na maratathi ma menyore magakorwo mari kigeraine gia kuhorwo faini ya gatagati ga ciringi milioni 2 kana milioni 4 akiuga ndari araregeria murugamo wa watho uyu.
We can only succeed in implementing the plastic bags in Kenya if Kenyans choose to do so. If not, I have very high penalties in place, which I'm planning not to use. But I know that Kenyans will support it, and they already have.
Mugabo wa Wakungu okete orere ciuri ikoretwo ituthuritwo iguru ria wihariria wa Kenya hari kuhemberia watho uyu mweru kiungano gia thondeki aido gikiuria ihinda makiria no ende kuringana na Wahungu gutiri undu urikorwo gicenjia.
There are many alternatives. You could use paper products, you could use bamboo products, you can use sisal products. If anything, the cottage industries that used to produce the kiondos are very happy with the decision.
Wahungu ningi no aruteire mukana huthiria cuba cia plastic akiuga no kwa ihinda uhuthiri wa cuba icio korwo kininwo.
Phase 2, I think we will see the multinationals that produce and use plastic bottles also being phased out. Our neighbor here, UN Environment, only uses glass bottles for water. You will not find any plastic bottle in UN.
Bururi wa Kenya kugerera ministry ya maria marigiceirie ukoretwo kigiana na bara ndito ya kunina uhuthiri wa maratathi maya na kuria mageria meri ma mwaka wa 2007 na 2011 makorirwo makiringa ihiga. Wona watho uyu wambiriria kurutithio wira makiria ma andu 60,000 aria makoragwo makimathira uboco wao kugerera iganda ici ni magukorwo makiurwo ni mieke yao ya mawira.